how to convert this into this. If you are using Samsung phone, you must have noticed that it's very tough to take actions on different kind of notifications because the text is usually very small. For example, if you receive a message or if you receive an email, the text size is too small for the different actions. So in this video I'll show you how you can get rid of this stupid thing in Samsung phone and make your notifications with action buttons like this. So without wasting further time, let me show you how to do this. So this thing can be achieved by accessing a feature in accessibility settings. So as you can see in my notifications here, the accessibility settings, I have already turned this on, so I see buttons like this here. So if I tap on this, it will take me to the setting which does provide me big and comfortable actionable buttons like this. So this is the setting which is under visibility enhancements. So if I tap on this, which is called show button shapes, so if I toggle this off and go back to the notifications again, you will see again these irritating small buttons can be seen, which are like small texts, and for already small text it becomes quite difficult to like take an aim and then click that. If I go to that setting again, show button shapes, I tap this, I turn this on, go back to this message, I can see there are again this big actionable buttons. They look quite slick and quite good, and they actually match how the actionable buttons are in iOS. iOS is far more easy to use, pleasing to use than Android. So to show you again, go to settings, here go to accessibilities, go to visibility enhancements and select this option of show button shapes. Toggle it on, you see the button shapes. Toggle it off, button shapes are gone. I'll keep this on because I like this option a lot. It helps me take the action quite easily without having to worry, oh, will I click something which is not intended. That's it. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also leave your comment below if you want to know anything else, or if you want any other video, then just let me know in the comments. I'll make the video regarding that.